Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a user to the Linux server that I'm running. It's Linux Ubuntu server remotely from the terminal. So I'm gonna do an SSH session to the server and show you how to add a user. So first you have to log into the server, and this is my admin username, so I'm gonna log in now. It looks like it's inactive. Okay, let me restart the session. Restart session. Okay, so this is my admin username, and then I have to type the password. And once I am in, I'm in now, and let me clear the screen. So if you look on the top, this is the prompt here where I can type commands, and this is my admin username, Georgekc-com, and that's the server 2. It's locally here, it's not on the internet, but it's the same procedure you use, but the difference on the internet, you have to use an IP address on the internet. So let's say I want to add mic1 as a user to the server. So what I'm gonna do, the command is sudo user add mic1, let's say mic1. I hit enter, and then the system requested my password, the admin password. I have to retype it, so enter, and I got the prompt back. So if you notice, the system doesn't let you know if the user was created or not, but we will find out. So every user should have a password, and the admin will give him the password. So the second step after creating the username, the user account mic1, I have to give him a password, so next time they'll log in and they can change the password if they want to have a different one. So the way it's done, it's sudo passwd and then the name mic1, and this will give mic1 a password on the system. So if we hit enter, it says a new password. So let me give him let's say Chicago 2023. Chicago 2023. Enter. You have to retype it. Chicago 2023. Enter. And it says password updated successfully. So the prompt is back to me, the admin, and what's gonna happen the next time Mike will log in, he's gonna enter the password that I'm gonna give him, that I set now as an admin. So I'm gonna give him the mic1, the username, and the password, so he'll be able to log in the next time. So let's say I have to exit now, and I'm gonna log in as mic1 because I know the password. So gonna create a session. Okay, so now I'm gonna log in as mic1, the user I just created. So mic1, enter, and it gave you here mic1, the user, at server1 password. So I'm gonna type the password, which is Chicago 2023. Chicago 2023, enter. And now mic1 is logged in. If I clear the screen, I'll show you. So if you type who or W, it will show you the user mic1 here, and it'll show you where I'm logged in from, which is this computer, the Windows 98, and using this body terminal to log into the server here on the side. So that's how you add a username or create a user account and password for a specific person, and then they can log in. Now Mike 1 will have to change the password because I know the password is Chicago 2023, so he's gonna change his password. Let's suppose I am Mike 1. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the password. That's the command you use to change the password. So password, enter, and the system says changing password for Mike 1, current password. So I'm gonna type the current password, which is Chicago 2023, enter. New password, let's say the new password I want to use Detroit 2023, Detroit 2023, enter, and it says retype Detroit 2023, enter, and then you get this message, password updated successfully. So now Mike 1 will have password Detroit 2023, not Chicago anymore. So he can use their own credentials. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please submit them in a comment. And if you're interested in learning Linux for beginners or the basics of using the commands, I have a course online. It's at Georgekc.com. I can add the link in the bottom, so check it out if you're interested. With that said, I want to thank you for watching this video.